This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Before we move forward, as I told you, there are a couple of thumb rules which I'll be always repeating all in my classes. In every class, I'll be repeating the same thing. Those who know me, those who have been already, attending my classes in either in development or in LWC or in integration or in admin, right? They should be knowing about me, right? But before you know me, as I told you, there are a couple of thumb rules which I always repeat in all classes. What are those? Number one, please make sure that your complete bandwidth is available to the class. If you have any right devices, you're at home, you're in hostel, you're at your workplace, right? Workplace, I can't help. But if you're at home, right, please make sure that, right, none of your family members connect at this moment to the wireless router, right? Please tell them that you're in the class and all the bandwidth should be available completely to the class. Next, if you have any active uploads, downloads, torrents, right, any type of live streaming, please avoid during the classroom, right? Any type of active uploads, downloads, YouTube streaming, or any type of WhatsApp videos you're downloading, watching simultaneously with the class, please avoid doing such activities, right? Third, there is a mute icon in the GoToMeeting panel bar. If you're not speaking, I will recommend that please keep yourself muted. If you're able to see that the mic icon in the GoToMeeting panel bar is green, that means your system, the classroom, is able to hear everything that's happening at your room as well as things happening at your drawing room as well as kitchen room, right? Your laptop mics are very sensitive mics. So it'll pick up all the voices, noises, not only in your room, but also at far distance. So please make sure that your mic is in mute. However, if you have any questions, doubts, please feel free to ask. Now, these are some rules that you need to always follow, not only today, but even in going forward classes. Now, by the way, on the screen, you have my introduction there. Those who are joining for the first time, for them, my name is Rupam Chakravarti, right? I'm a certified trainer, right? When I say I'm a certified trainer, what does that mean, right? After doing these courses, most of you would go for certification, right? You will go for, Salesforce certification as a platform developer, as an app developer, as an, admin, certified administrator. In a market, if you find 1 lakh candidate who are certified professional, you find only one candidate who are certified trainer. I'm a 9.8 GPA A++ trainer. Every trainer is measured in the score of 1 to 10. I hold 9.8 gross percentage aggregate. I have more than 1800 plus hours of official training. I have provided training for HCL Technologies, Accenture Hyderabad, Tech Mahindra, right? I have Capgemini Mumbai and Pune, right? Multinational companies, I have provided a lot of corporate training. I'm not only an official trainer for Salesforce, but I'm also working in a real-time environment as a solution architect. I handle all lightning and integration project. That's what my current role at this moment is, right? Those who know me, they know where I'm working. Those who don't know, you shouldn't be asking me where I'm working. As you go inside with me, you will realize, right? You will realize where I'm working and you'll automatically will come to know where I'm working. I'm not a dummy trainer, right? Taking classes in the morning as well as taking classes in the evening. No, my classes are only in the morning. And after that, I rush to my office. And once I get in, I don't have a time to come out. So I don't take morning 3 batches, evening 3 batches, right? You would be the 96th batch that I'll be taking. 96th batch, OF 96th batch I'll be taking, right? Any questions before I proceed forward? Anybody has any questions? Do not hesitate to ask questions in my class. Remember that you're not here for what I'm teaching, you're here for what you're learning. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate, right? Remember that in my class, let your neighbors go to hell. Whoever are there in the class at this moment, I have about 52 candidates in the class. Don't even care about 51 candidate in the class. Let them go to hell. You care about yourself. If you don't understand, if you have any doubt, please do not shy or hesitate to ask doubts. I'm not a trainer who will eat you away or will get pissed off. Maybe sometimes my voice looks like that I'm little, aggressive, but however, I'm not, right? So, any questions? I don't want to talk much about me because most of you know me. So there is no meaning repeating, or beating the drums about me, right, again and again. Right? It is just a quick introduction for people who joined for the first time. Out of 52, the 10 or 12, whoever joined, right, for them. Right. Now, definitely you're not here for my introduction. You're here for the class. Let's understand. Before we go to lightning development, let us understand what is a lightning development, how it is different from Salesforce development. Rupam, I did my Salesforce classes. I did Visualforce. I worked on, Apex classes, triggers. I worked on, all the asynchronous services, right? Like future services, batch services, Apex services, Qvel services. I worked on all these, SOQL, SOSL, getters, setters, page control, reference, extensions, right? All these Java, Ajax, jQuery, integration, REST and SOAP API. Then what is this development is, right? So let's understand. Lightning development. Before we go to lightning development, development in Salesforce is classified into two categories. Your complete Salesforce development has been identified or has been classified into two categories. The first one is called UI development, user interface development. User interface. Whenever you log into Salesforce, you see the screen called accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, settings. What are these? These are your UI, an interface through which you interact with the Salesforce, the interface through which you access the customer data, the interface through which you register or capture the customer data. You want to create an order, you go to the order screen. You want to create an opportunity, you go to the opportunity screen or opportunity tab. All these front end visible content are called as UI development. Whatever you're able to see as soon as you log into Salesforce, whatever the screens that you're able to see in your laptop or in your handle devices, right, like PDAs, phone, those are called as your UI. In UI, there are three types of development. In UI has been further divided into three types of development called as Salesforce Classic, Salesforce Lightning, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Web Component. There are three UI design technology from Salesforce. The first one called as Salesforce Classic, which is nothing but a Visualforce framework. Those who have attended my classes, they have already done the Visualforce classes, right? Creating a screen, a custom screen we have created with the tabs, with the images, with the form, Apex form command, Apex page block section, page block button, right? We have seen this. All these, whatever you see in Salesforce Classic, let me go practically and let me show you. Login.salesforce.com. Let me log in with my existing credentials, Rupam @of91.com. Password, right? CRM1234 hash. I'm logging with my existing credentials, right? Whenever you log into the Salesforce, right? Currently, you can see that The screen that you're able to see is a classic. It's a classic example. You see, I click on account, right? My account lists are visible. All these are the accounts that I created, right? Accounts. I want to capture a new customer. I click on this new, immediately one new page comes in. This is called as classic development. Whatever this form you're able to see, the validation rule beside the form, right? The drop down and whatever the appearance that you see is called classic. We are in the classic. Whole classic is developed using what? Visualforce framework. The technology behind this classic is Visualforce. On the top, I see that switch to Lightning. On the top, I see that there is an option called as switch to Lightning. As soon as I click on switch to Lightning, your data remains same, but your appearance changes. See, the whole screen appearance. This is called as Lightning experience. This whole visibility that you're able to see is called as Lightning experience. Switch to Lightning experience. You see that? It always gives an option. Switch to Salesforce Classic. I switch to Salesforce Classic. On the top, switch to Lightning experience. Whatever the screen that you see whenever you switch to Lightning experience, this is a Lightning experience screen. You see that? I click on App Manager. I click on View All. You see the difference, how the App Manager is coming up with a square block, with a rectangular box. In the rectangular box, you have a lot of apps coming up. Lightning experience, Lightning experience, right? Lightning experience. Same thing if I go ahead and if I see in Classic. I now once again, I'll be switching between, I go to the Classic, right? Here, where is the App Manager? Here on the top. On the right hand side corner, I have the App Manager. See the difference? I can move to sales, service, marketing, marketing loads. I move from marketing to service module loads. This is your classic experience. Classic. Build with what? Visualforce framework. When I go to the Lightning experience, you see that? The complete visibility, the complete structure, right? I click on App Manager. Their App Manager and this App Manager, you see what is the difference, right? I click on, right, what? Let's go to sales or service or marketing. I click on sales. I click on sales. My sales module loads. See the appearance? All these development you learn with me. By the way, what you're going to learn? Rupam, how can I have, can you see this whole, right? There are multiple pieces. For example, this is one piece. This whole, there are three rectangular box and there is a background. One. This is the second one. Second box. See how the buttons are being created? Each buttons, keep on observing small elements, right? Small, the cross, the pen, each button. These are called Lightning experience. These are called Lightning experience. There are three boxes called as card. You have to design the cards, right? You have to design the cards. Now, I go to my opportunity, right? I open my opportunity. Any one of the opportunity, I've just open it. On the top, right? You can see these bars. Can you see? Prospecting, qualification. I'll say mark as complete, right? Automatically system marks with a green. I say perception analysis. I click on it. It highlights. I click on mark as complete. Can you see how it's working? The same opportunity when I open with Classic, OTech, same data. I'm switching to Classic now. Switching to Classic. There also I go to my app manager. I click on sales. Same thing I'm doing. I click on opportunity, right? You see the appearance. I click on OTech. Same opportunity opens up. Here I have perception analysis, like a drop down. I'll say that negotiation review, it goes to the negotiation review. See how the classic is and how the lightning is. The same data, but the UI is different. Same OTech, the data has not changed, but the appearance of the data has changed. That as I place, immediately system is giving me a hover. Along with that, system is giving me a status. Then this is, you can see a one rectangular bar. One, if I copy this now, this is one, each one of them. This is one component. Copy. I open a paint, Paint paint. I'm just trying to make you understand, right? What is a lightning experience? This is one. Can you build this with classic? Answer is no, you cannot, right? Similarly, you see that there is a one more bar here. Behind, there is a blue design background. One, each one of them are lightning components. Each one of them are lightning components. They are not in one page. They are different designs. This is one design, right? The bottom one is one design, right? You can see that each one of them is separate component. See, each one of them are, it's a collection of components. It's a collection of components. Each one of them are separate components. Again, here also you can see that these are separate components, right? What is the whole story is, Rupam? The whole story is that your classic is based on Visualforce framework. Your lightning development is based on a third-party technology called as Aura framework, also called as lightning framework. We will not be using a Salesforce technology. We will be using a third-party technology called Aura. Aura is a universal, right? It is universal, accepted, to which you can create sophisticated screens, right? You will be learning whole Aura framework with me. The way you learned the Visualforce framework, here you will learn Aura framework. All these designs, the screens that I was showing you, is developed using what? Aura. SFDC lightning development is Aura. Now, this is not a Salesforce technology. Lightning is a mix of technology. Lightning, we will see the lightning definition. What is a lightning? If somebody asks me, what is a lightning? What is the definition of lightning? We will see next. Lightning is a mix. It's a mix of Salesforce technology. It's a mix of Aura technology. It's a mix of a lot of things. You have to learn so many things here. It's LDS, lightning design system, right? There's something called as lightning design system. It's a mix of tools, lot of tools and technology clubbed together to form Salesforce lightning development. All those you will be learning. Rupam, then what is LWC? Right? As I told you, these are framework dependent, technology dependent. Lightning development is dependent on what? Aura. Aura is not a Salesforce technology. It's a third party. It's a third party vendor technology. Tomorrow, if Aura stops support, if Aura start charging, they start license fee, then Salesforce will be in a trouble. Today, Aura is free. Tomorrow, Aura stops supports. No, we will not extend any of our components. You cannot use our components. If Aura decides, it's mostly the marketing strategy. Whenever a new technology comes, they give it for free. Free. WhatsApp is free. Everybody is using it, enjoying it. Maybe after people completely get adjusted to Aura or completely get adjusted to WhatsApp, WhatsApp might start charging, saying that 1 rupee per month. 1 rupee per month. Yeah, 1 rupee per month doesn't make any difference to anyone. But they have billions. 1 rupee into billion customer equals to $1 billion per month. Company can earn, right? Hence, today Facebook is free, WhatsApp is free, Twitter is free. Nobody knows in the future they will be free or not. They might start paid services. Same thing with Aura. Today, Aura is free. We are using Aura technology in Salesforce. Tomorrow, nobody knows whether the Aura will be free or not because Aura is not a Salesforce technology. Hence, Salesforce came up with a new concept called as LWC, Salesforce Lightning Web Component. It's a Lightning component, but no Aura framework, open source framework, complete Java, complete JavaScript and DOM, HTML technology. DOM, 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 right? Or also HTML. HTML plus JavaScript is on LWC. How to build the sophisticated screens, the screens that I was showing you, how to build the screen using JavaScript as well as HTML is LWC without using Aura technology. I don't want to use Aura. Such development is called LWC, open source framework. No framework at all, no framework. Without any proprietary, without any license framework, creating such a beautiful user experience is called LWC. In this course, this is what you will be learning. This complete together is called as Lightning Development course. What is Lightning Development? Building such sophisticated user interface is called Lightning. Now, those who are with me in the development classes, you have seen that I connected my Visualforce to the Apex logic. As I told you, your whole development is designed into two pieces, or it is divided into two pieces, UI development, logic development. UI development is further divided into three pieces, classic development, lightning development, LWC development. Classic is on Visualforce framework, lightning is on Aura framework, LWC is on open source framework. However, right, your basics remain same. From the server side, your Apex, OOPS, SOQL, classes, triggers, getters, setters, controllers, batch Apex, your basic logic remains same. Whatever you have learned in the development classes, those are required, whether it's in Lightning, whether it's in Visualforce, whether it's LWC, you need to have this logic development also. Logic development. However, in Lightning, rather than using Apex logic, 90% of the time we will write client-side controllers. These Apex logic are called as server-side controller because they runs on the server. Where is the Apex class? The class that I created, it is on the Salesforce server. Whenever I call a class, where the calculation happens, it happens on the Salesforce server, Salesforce application server, right? Whereas all these Lightning mostly works on client-side controller. You have to write some programming. JavaScripts is the programming. You have to write programming on here called as server-side controllers. The way to calculate the length and breadth, we have developed the UI and the logic is in the server. The page is calling the server, passing the length and breadth, and system is giving the result. The result is again pushed back to the page, right? That is what we did with a class with a page. But here, all the calculations will happen within the page itself. You will not write an Apex class, right? In other words, it is not only user interface development, it's not only UI development. Along with UI development, Lightning course includes your logic development also. Client-side controller-based logic development. Don't just think that I'll be teaching you just how to design the screen. No, I'll be teaching you how to populate in this data in the screen without writing an Apex class. You have to write Apex class is a server side. Without writing a server side controllers, how to write a client side controller. Behind this, there'll be a lot of programming, right? And you will not write a Visualforce. In Visualforce, you just write what? You just write design. All the logics comes from the apex. In Visualforce frameworks, most of the logic, 90% of the logic comes from where? From the class. Behind the button, you call the class, right? But in Lightning, all the logics will be on the Lightning page itself. That makes the page faster. Clear now? Understood what is a Lightning development? Yes? Anybody has any questions? Any questions, guys?
Rupam, then what is the
Yes.
Einstein analysis?
Einstein and other things are, they are analytics. Salesforce has multiple branches, right? They have Sales Cloud. What is a Sales Cloud? To facilitate sales. What is a Service Cloud? To give you a complete service solution. What is a Marketing Cloud? To give you a marketing cloud. What is cloud? Analytics, Salesforce Analytical Cloud. That is nothing but Einstein. Any innovation and analytical cloud are called as Einstein Cloud. Einstein. There's a lot of clouds available, right? You have a social studio, digital marketing cloud available, right? There's a community cloud. There's a lot of cloud available. Whatever the cloud might be, your designing of those screen, whether it's a Einstein, whether it's a sales cloud, whether it's a service cloud, whether it's a marketing cloud, whether it's a digital studio, right? Whatever the cloud that you take, right? Your the screens that you see is a lightning screen. And how to build such sophisticated lightning screen along with the backend logic or client-side controller, you will be learning as a part of this course. By the way, what is lightning is a question. I didn't give you the definition of lightning yet. You have been hearing this word called as lightning. Before we go to the lightning definition, first let us understand what is the future. In 2007, we used to have something called as S controls. Before the Visualforce, we used to have what? S controls. S controls. With the S controls, we used to design, right? Salesforce, right? Somebody has asked what kind of code we will have mostly. Aura and JavaScript. These are the only two technology that we'll be using. Aura coding, separate type of coding. Aura technology, Aura framework, and we'll be using JavaScript. These are the two. Answering to the person who has just asked the question on the chat window, right? Okay. By the way, let me go ahead and let me give you a complete options. Okay. Okay. There we go. Everyone can chat. Next, in the year of 2010, we got the Visualforce. You can see that Visualforce 10 years old technology. 10 years old technology. In 2015, we got a Lightning Aura framework. Lightning Aura framework. Lightning Aura framework. This technology was very difficult in 2015 when it launched 5 years back. People were not using it because completely on Aura, it was very complicated, right? But in 2018 or 2000, right, 17 ending onwards, Lightning platform has become a major development area. And your Lightning web technology is just a year old. It came in the year of 2018 ending. That means in the year of 2019, the LWC came into picture. So it's just an 1.5 year old technology now. And in the market, there is no one, as I was telling you yesterday in my class also, those who are part of my, development batch. In market, there is no one to teach you LWC or Lightning courses. Hardly there are institutes, hardly there are people. If there are people also, they are also teaching you basics. But with me, because I am currently working in Lightning LWC as well as on integration, Lightning, whole Lightning. With me, you will get in details, in depth. So this is how the framework has started. LWC is the next generation requirement, right? Without a Lightning, you cannot join LWC. You need to have a basics. Without a development class, Rupam, can I join Lightning? If you just know the Visual Force, if you have worked on the Visual Force, right? Yes, you are good to join Lightning classes. Rupam, I don't have, right, any admin background. I didn't learn the admin class. Can I join Lightning? Yes. Rupam, I don't have any in-depth knowledge about development. I'm just some basics I know. Am I good for Lightning classes? Yes, you are. You are. This is the current requirement. Any questions before we proceed forward? Any questions? No? Okay. Now, let's understand. What is Lightning? Let's start. This we should have started in the starting of the class itself. We should have started with this particular topic. But no, if I start with the definition, you will not be able to understand. Now you see the definition. What is a lightning? Lightning is the collection of tools and technology that provides significant upgrades to Salesforce platform for better user experience, efficiency, and reusability of resource. So what is a lightning? Lightning is a collection of tools and technology. It is not one technology. Multiple technologies clubbed together or combined together to give you lightning experience. Lightning development is nothing but it's a collection of tools and technology for better user experience, efficiency, and reusability of resource. That's called lightning. What is Salesforce Lightning? If somebody asks you, Salesforce Lightning is nothing but it's a collection of tools and technology that provides better performance, better user experience, better efficiency, better reusability of resources is called Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce Lightning has three elements. Salesforce Lightning has three elements: Lightning Experience, Lightning Component Framework, and Lightning Design System, SLDS. Salesforce Lightning has three elements. Salesforce Lightning has three elements. Whenever we talk about Salesforce Lightning, there are three components to Salesforce Lightning. The first one is called Lightning Experience. The first one is called Lightning Experience. What is a Lightning Experience? All the screens that I was showing you, switch to Lightning Experience. The UI part of Salesforce Lightning is called Lightning Experience. Whatever the screens that you're seeing, user interface, all those screens, whenever I click on App Manager, one rectangular box comes and automatically multiple apps can be seen. That is called as Lightning Experience. When I click on Opportunity, the Opportunity tab loads. The multiple components that loads on the tab is called as Lightning Experience. Whatever you are able to see with your eyes, those part of lightning is called as what? Lightning experience. What is a lightning experience? The visible part of Salesforce Lightning. The visible part of Salesforce Lightning interface is called, the visual part of Salesforce Lightning interface is called as lightning experience. Whatever you are able to see, those are called as lightning experience. Next, Lightning Component Framework or Lightning Framework. People also call it Lightning Framework. What is a Lightning Framework? The coding, the developing piece, the development part of UI design with a program, with the Aura framework is called Lightning Component Framework. Aura is also open source as of today, but nobody knows in the future whether it's a purely open source or not. So whenever you do any Lightning Aura framework with an Aura programming, whenever you do a Aura programming, we call them as the programming piece using Aura framework is called as Lightning Component Framework. Lightning Component Framework. Lightning Component Framework. So what is the Lightning Component Framework? Right? It is developing a single page application concept. I'll come to that. What is this? Right? Developing any development using Aura framework, any Salesforce development, any UI development using an Aura framework, we call them as what? Lightning Component Framework. Lightning Component Framework is development. Lightning Experience is the UI part. Whatever the interactive screens that you see, those are called Lightning Experience. Whatever the programming behind that UI experience is called Lightning Component Framework. Next, Lightning Design Systems. Right? Now, whenever you go, right, let's once again have a look on Lightning a little bit. Right? Can you see these icons? Notes, there's a brown icon. Product, there is an icon. Right? Background, if I just zoom my screen to the max, I've just zoomed my screen. Can you see this background, blue background? Between the home, between the sales and the opportunity, OTEC, can you see this background with a lines, right? From where did I got this? How can I create such design? All these designs comes from a dictionary called as Lightning Design System. Lightning Design System. I go to Lightning Design System. In the Google I'm typing, this all come from this create the world best enterprise app experience. See, Salesforce Lightning Design System. What's new? What is the platform? What is the utility? See, there are a lot of things are here, right? How can I use this? How can I design? How can I build a layout? All these programs. For example, this layout, I want this type of layout. How can I build? Right? All these documentations are available here, right? Accessibility, components, blueprint. I want an app launcher. I want to create an app launcher like this. See how to create an app launcher. All those programs, right, are here. You can see that. Show the code. Show the code. This is the program. You want to see, right? This is the program. To create an app launcher, this is the program. To create an app launcher, this is the program. To create an app launcher, right? Whenever you click on app launcher comes. See, all these app launcher. I want my app launcher should look like this. Can you see now the designs? Sales Cloud is tilling, not standing. It's little bit, right, tilling towards the one side. You see that? If I want like this also, you can do that. All this programming you will learn. Tile, move it. See, Sales Cloud. See how that today, is it your app manager looks like this? I want this type of movement, right? This is what you will be learning with me. Tile drop, tile this, right? Everything. I want an avatar. What is an avatar? Whenever you go to your Salesforce on the top, right? I'm zooming out. Can you see your beautiful pic here? Toward the right hand side corner, where whenever I place my mouse, it says view profile. Right hand side top corner, the first thing, which when I click on it, I get Rupam Chakravarti log out. Right? This icon, how can I create it? All these are avatars. Right? See, this is the avatar, profile icon. All this comes from where? These are, I will not spend time to create this icon. These icons are pre-created. Badges, colors, cards. I was showing you backend blue color. I want the backend blue colors. All these are available from here. Utility design tokens. I want designs. Backend designs. See, so many designs are available. This is a complete CSS library, which you'll be taking. Icons. See, so many icons are there. Predefined icons are there. Predefined icons. Right? Hence, what is this? Right? Your whole lightning, right, technology has three major elements: lightning experience, lightning component framework, and lightning design system. These three consist of what? By combining these three, you get you get a complete lightning experience. Your whole lightning development covers lightning experience, lightning component framework, and lightning design system. Clear? Understood? Yes. What is a Salesforce Lightning? Salesforce Lightning is nothing but it's a collection of tools and technology. Salesforce Lightning is a collection of tools and technology that provides, right, efficient user experience, right, that provide better user experience, efficient and reusability of resources. That is called as Salesforce Lightning. A platform that provides better user experience, efficiency, and reusability of Salesforce resource, right? It is a collection of tools and technology. We call them as Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce Lightning has three elements: Lightning interface, that is nothing but called as Lightning experience. Then you have development, that is nothing but called as Lightning component framework or Lightning framework. And then you have the design, which is called as the designing part is called as Lightning design system, SLDS. Salesforce Lightning design system. Salesforce Lightning design system. Clear now? Any question till here? Able to understand? Yes or no? Everyone in the class?
Yes, sir.
Others, at least, what is a Salesforce Lightning? If somebody asks you, it's a collection of tools and technology, right? With this tools and technology, you provide better user experience, reusability of a component, efficiency of a component. That's called Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce Lightning, what are the elements of Salesforce Lightning? Three elements: Lightning experience, Lightning component framework, Lightning design system. These are the three elements of Salesforce Lightning. What is Lightning experience? The UI part, the visibility, the user interface part is called Lightning experience. What is Lightning component framework? The development part, the programming part, where you go ahead and you do the programming using Aura and Java, is called as Lightning component framework. What is Lightning design system? The design part, the pre-created designs are already created, like a background colors, like the shape of the app managers, the icons. Those are open CSS libraries, all your cascade style sheets, styles, right? Those are called as your Lightning design system, right? Lightning design system. Everybody clear? Yes. Everyone clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, Salesforce Lightning is a single page concept. Understand this. What does that mean, Rupam? Right? If I switch, once again, I'm switching to my Classic. In Classic, you have to write for account. When I click on account, this is one page. Whenever I click on one particular account, another page loads. Another page loads. Whenever I click on, right, let's say that I click on, right, what? A new task, one more page load. The previous page is gone. This is one page, task is one page, right? Event is one page, everything is one page. I click on attachment, that's another page. You see that? Another page got loaded. I click on attach file. Every button is calling one page. That means to create this whole account functionality, it's a collection of 30 Visualforce pages. If I click on attach, immediately one more page comes. One more page comes. See, it's a new page. On the top, a new page has come, right? See, I was looking at the account. I want to create a new task. Immediately, the account page is gone. Task page is loaded. It's a multiple page concept. It's a multiple page concept. It's a multiple page concept. But whereas whenever you shift to Lightning, it's a single page concept. It's a single page concept. On the single page, we have multiple components. For example, the same account I'll click. One, right? I open the same account, let's say anything, OTEC. See, I'm opening it, right? I'm on details, right? Let's say that I'm on details, right? I click on edit. I'm changing the phone number from 44 to 88888. I keep the page as it is and I can log a call. Both are activated window. On that, I click on new. See, the behind screen is still there, right? You see that my data is still not lost. 44444488. See, 44888899999999. I have not yet saved my data. My data is not yet saved. Here, I am creating a meeting. I'm creating, hi, please call. I'm still not saved. On that, I click on new contact. You see that another page comes. At a time, three things are editable. Three things, Rupam. See, none of them are saved. Neither my account data is saved, neither my log a call is saved. Activity, right? You can see that at a time I can parallelly work. I can change the phone number. I can go ahead and I can say hi. See, two things I can do parallelly, right? But can you do the same thing with Classic? Let's go ahead and check, right? I say switch to Classic. Leave. Same account I'll open in Classic. Account, same account, OTEC, right? I click on edit. That's that. I'm changing the number. I'm changing the phone number from 44 to 88888. Can you create a new meeting at the same time? Can you log a call? You don't have an option because log a call is a separate page. There, right? Can I create a new contact? Right? Can I create new? If I say event, this page is gone. See, event page load. My changes that I made to my data is lost. Changes that I made to my data is lost. Where is my data? Again, I have to go to the account. I have to open the account. I was making some. I click on edit. I was changing the phone number from 4444 to 448888888888. I was typing something. I was changing my data, right, from 444 to 8888888. Now, can I do any other activity? No. At a single time, I can do only a single thing. Either I have to save the data, then only I can create a event. I can log a call. I can send an email, or I can create a new contact. But in Lightning, you see that at a time, I can do three things. Same thing, same feature I'm showing you here. I can do three things, right? I can do three things. This is called as, right, efficiency. Efficiency, right? We have been talking, what is efficiency? Why it's so efficient? See that, right? I'm editing the data here, 444444. Suddenly I realize, oh man, I have to create a meeting. I have to create a event. See that? I type the data half there and I came here and I'm saying subject, call the customer. Oh shit, I have to create one more contact. Click on, I left it half there. I came here and I'm starting creating it. At a time, three windows are open in edit mode. Can I do this? Because this is a single page concept. Whereas that's a multiple page. Every task, every action, every screen is single screen. That's the reason one screen, two screens cannot be loaded. Here, right? In a single screen, multiple component. This is one component, one square block. As I was showing you, this whole block is one component. This is another component. Two components in a same page. Two blocks. You can see that total. Now currently I have two like this, right? Like this. This is called as Lightning Experience Development. It's a single page concept with multiple components, right? Single page, whereas Classic is a multiple page. Every action is one page. You cannot have multiple actions together. Here you can have multiple actions together. I can create an event. At the same time, I can go ahead and edit the data parallelly, simultaneously. But same action, if you try to do with Visualforce or Classic, you cannot do. Right? Single page concept, multiple page concept. Anybody has any question? Whatever the programming is there, right? Those who are with me on the development classes, right? Those who are with me in the development classes, those who have never did the programming in their life, today, I believe whoever is there, tell me, are you comfortable with the development programming? The people are there who have never did programming in their life, or they
Yes,
always
sir.
run away from programming. Are you able to understand those development classes, the programming?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you're comfortable
Yes,
now
sir.
saying that, okay, all right, you're getting a confidence that I can create, I can also do programming. Are you getting that confidence slowly, slowly? Yes. So in my class, whatever the difficult program it is, you might have just, I've shown you the program. By looking at the program, half of you might thought, oh man, oh God, this programming, shit, I can't do it. Don't worry about it. By looking at the program, by looking at the program, right? Don't fear it. With me, I can give you that guarantee and assurance. I'm not giving a warranty, I'm giving a guarantee. With me, you would be able to learn. With me, you will be learning all this programming, right? You'll be able to understand. And that is the reason I'm here, to teach you a complex program in a simpler way. How to learn, right? Remember that future is lightning. If you go to any interview tomorrow, right? Most of the interview, out of 10 interview attend, 7 interview will ask you whether you have a lightning knowledge or not. This is because my 90th batch, 88, 89 batch, who has got the job, they have told the same thing, right? It is company is looking, all the use Visualforce is coming, or it's going decommissioned. Slowly, Visualforce is phasing out. The future is lightning. In another 2 years, Visualforce will be completely removed and it will be on lightning. There will be no one to teach you lightning in the real-time environment. It is the right time to learn the lightning at this moment. Remember this very well. If you would like to make your career on Salesforce, I will recommend on one thing, that is lightning, right? Today, if you put a lightning project, if you say that for the last 6 months, you are working on lightning project, 6 months, I am on lightning project, right? If you are able to show this experience, right, your interviewer will take it. All your interviewer, right? Don't worry, they will not pose much questions because nobody knows about this. It's just a year-old technology, nobody's experience. I will give you interview questions. Interview questions. Complete whole end-to-end lightning interview questions I will share. You will get the course material, right? Soft copy. Lightning, you will not get a hard copy. You will get a soft copy of a course material. I will give you the course material. Don't worry, the course material is not copied from Google. It is written by me. I have written those course material with programs, with diagrams, right? We will do those programming, guys. Need not to worry about it, right? We will be doing those programmings, right? For those who are thinking, right, Rupam, right? My current LWC class, see, I'm just opening current LWC batch. See the dates when the class, weekend classes, 25, 26, 18, 19, 2, 3, second of 5, third of 5. You can see that these are the lightning components, LWC components that I'm creating. LWC component data tile, right? LWC, lightning web component. You can see that this the programming that we are writing, right? These are LWCs, lightning web component. Lightning Web Component. I'm showing you an LWC example. LWC. These are LWCs, right? LWC components. So with me, you can rest assured that you will be learning the qualitative grade quality A Lightning and LWC classes. Login.salesforce.com, right? Rupam, right? @ right? LT92.com. Password CRM1234#. Right? This is a lightning class, 92 batch. You will be the 96th batch that I'll be taking. I'm just opening some previous batches to give you that confidence of lightning, right? How the lightning development will happen, right? So you can rest assured under custom code, right? I'm going to lightning components. You see that I click on lightning components. I click on lightning components and see how many lightning components we have created. With the dates and class, it will be there. See, LA. See how many lightning components I'm creating. More are there. These are just few, right? These are just few. See, all these are lightning components. You can see that. Type aura. All these are aura. All these are aura. Can you see? Aura. Now again I will log in. Login.salesforce.com. Login.salesforce.com. Rupam @LWC95.com. This is the 95th class that I'm taking. That was 91 LW, right? CRM1234#. This is an LWC class, right? Rupam, what you're trying to show? Wait, you'll understand, right? What is an LWC framework? What is an lightning framework? Earlier, this one was 91 was lightning class. LT stand for lightning, LWC stand for lightning web component. LT91, LWC95. This is a pure lightning LWC class. Again, I'm going to the same custom components, lightning components. I click on lightning components. Now you see here, all will show LWC. See, LWC. See, here everything is showing aura. In 91, all aura. It is a lightning class. Whereas 95, you can see that with, right? All these are what? You can see LWC. I created some basic aura dummy. You can see app dummy. Some dummy components. LWC. See, LWC. See, right? LWC. Can you see? This is the difference. This is an aura framework. This is an LWC framework. The difference I'm showing you. LWC framework. With me, you will be learning 100% LWC as well as, see, every class has a date and example. In one class, so that 1904 class, 2 weeks back, today's 8th, last week, right? Example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4. In a day 444 examples. How to create a button, right? Comp call, how to put a style, how to put an array, how to declare, how to write a create wire account, right? Everything. LWC. See, lightning web component as well as aura component. Both will be shown here. These are LWCs. Clear now? Yes or no? Any doubts? Any questions? Anybody has any questions? Any doubts? Any questions? Right? Any questions? With me, I will give you an advanced lightning development as per the industry. Whatever the current trend in the industry, I will give you those advanced live user stories, right? Live project scenarios, whatever I am working in the real-time projects, right? I will give you live project scenarios, sample resumes, interview questions, code. I will give you this whole project, the program itself, soft copy, as I told you, any type of documentation, certification assistance we will provide you, right? And not only that, right, after the course, right, after your resume is forwarded to me, I will going to forward this resume to my close friends within the circle, within my development circle, within my, right, my office colleagues, within other country, other, what do you call it, companies. I'll be sharing your resumes for your placement. Whatever I'm saying, I will mean it. The videos are all my statements are getting recorded, right, on record. Whatever I'm showing on the screens, that is the reason I said expectations. These are the things that you can expect from me. Don't worry about your lightning program, whether it's complex, hard. I'm there to teach you, right? You need to have a better trainer. That's it. There's nothing called rocket science in this world. If you have a good trainer, rocket is just as simple in your hand. You need to have a trainer to teach you in that way. I have that confidence on me, and those who are in my development class, they can definitely support my confidence. Whether yes, Rupam, you're correct, right? They will definitely support me because they know that how I'm taking and how I'm teaching the classes, right? So with me, you can expect this technology to be learned. Go anywhere, any institute. If you find better trainer than me, right? A people who is teaching you more than me, any concept in lightning, I'm covering everything in lightning, right? That is the reason the whole course is 1.5 month. Whole course is 1.5 month. You can understand, right? It's not a 10 days class or a 15 days class, right? Or a 3 weeks or 2 weeks. Total 6-week class, 6 to 7 weeks, 1.5 month. The class will go on every day, 1.5 hour. See, you can understand how much in depth I'll be teaching you, right? You will get all the recordings. Don't worry about it. Recordings, you can leave it on me. Every classroom, but my suggestion is that don't depend on recordings. The way we say that today's generation, small babies, we are spoiling by giving mobile phone in their hand, watching YouTube, and then only the small babies, they don't play. They, while eating, you give them a mobile. The same rule is applicable to you. You guys are also getting spoiled with these videos. I will give you the videos. See, all these videos are there. Oops classes, all lightning classes. See, all these videos, these are recording videos. Lightning, right, with a token. Lightning app interface. I'm opening 11th April class of Lightning. Don't think that this is the first time that I'm teaching and I'm doing, you are the guinea pigs and I'm doing a practical experience. See, this is a recording. You can see that March 14, on which day I'll cover what topic. You might not be able to hear. So I'm just forwarding. I'm creating a lightning component. You can see that. Videos I'm sharing. I'm opening one of the previous recording. See, I'm writing the program, lightning program. See, so all the videos you will get, right? These are the video recordings. You can see that. Any questions, guys? Next 10 minutes. Open your gun, shoot the questions if you have. Don't think whether the question is right or wrong. If it's there in your mind, let it be on your mouth.
Sir,
Yes.
how much is the knowledge we can use from Visualforce to Lightning or Lightning web development web component?
That's a good question. How much knowledge? Zero. All your Visualforce has zero appearance in Lightning. However, the concept will, little bit of concept will repeat, right? How you create a page block, right? You create a page block. There we will create a page layout. Some of the concept I'm talking about, the base concept, commands completely different. Not a single command. For those people, I've added one syllabus, Lightning and Visualforce. How can I develop Lightning and Visualforce? That topic also I've added in the course syllabus sheet. Towards the end, you'll have a Lightning and Visualforce concept. How can I take a Lightning component? How can I have the same? I want half in Visualforce, half in Lightning. Can I do 50-50 programming? That concept also I have taken. Yes, I will show you how to do half of programming. I will use Apex page block section, Apex form, Apex command button. Immediately, I will start with Lightning programming. If you do now, it will give you a slap. The system will give you an error. When I say slap, it is nothing but error. All those I have covered. Right? So in other words, to answer your question, 0. Only the concept is used, but however, any Lightning programming knowledge will nowhere used in, any Visualforce or Visualforce framework knowledge will not be used in Lightning. Next, it's a new technology, guys. It's a new thing you'll learn.
Is all the
Completely
companies are using this one?
All the
Companies are using Lightning now?
no. All the companies are not using Lightning. The companies who have already in Salesforce for last 5 years, 8 years, 10 years, they are still on Salesforce Classic. They're still on Salesforce Classic. However, out of those companies, most of the companies are migrating to Lightning. Slowly, for example, my company where I'm working, we were in Salesforce from 2004 onwards. I'm in Salesforce from 2007 onwards. It is my 13th year of my career. Few of you will say, hey, he's faking. I'm Salesforce 13 years. No, that's the truth. There's nothing that I need to lie to you. I am in 2007 onwards. I am on Salesforce. 2007 to 8 ending onwards. 2007 ending onwards. I am on Salesforce. I have seen S controls. I have did my programming on S controls also in 2007. I remember. So my company is also on at this moment. They are on what? Classic. However, right now we are migrating to Lightning, and that is the reason I am there. I am the lead for making it migration, the complete. We are creating an equivalent components and features, stories, equivalent of Classic to Lightning we are developing now. All the new companies, new projects that is coming up, it's coming up in Lightning. All the new projects are on Lightning. None of the new projects are on Classic. All on Lightning. Next question.
For Lightning also we use Apex code, right?
Some places less. 90% we will not use Apex. We will use client-side controller JavaScripting. 10% only Apex. Server-side controllers. Only Apex. 10% will use Apex. Any questions? Next.
Rupam,
Yes.
a person from non-technical background, can he able to join your session?
Yes. You can. Any given time, if you feel that I'm not teaching well, you are not able to understand well, don't worry. Your fees is completely safe. I'm not a trainer where once I take your fee, right, gone, go Goa, gone. No. Any given time, if you feel that you are not able to learn, you are not able to follow up with me, don't worry. You can directly tell me, hey, Rupam, looks like I'm not getting anywhere. That maybe this is not the right course. I might look something else. I'll give you 100% refund, guaranteed. Because training is a passion. What I'm doing, it's not my main hardcore, earning money option. I'm working in a real time. My salary is quite far enough, right? So, in other words, if you are from non-programming background, don't worry about it. You would be able to understand, guaranteed from my side. Next. Any questions?
Sir, in UI, is there any difference between LWC framework and Lightning framework?
On the UI, no. Right? It is the same whether you create an LWC component, whether you create a Lightning component, it's the same. The UI will look same. The UI will look same. Right? It is only the technology which will change. By the way, your class starts from Monday 8:30 onwards. Your class starts on Monday 8:30 a.m. Monday 8:30 a.m. your class starts. Please contact your admin, your course admin, call the institute, right? You have the number, so please contact them and register yourself. Please contact them, register yourself. Right? Any questions?
Is it mandatory to do certification?
Sorry?
Certification. Is it mandatory?
Definitely. That question every time people are asking, and every time I say that, right? Tell me, you tell me it's mandate or not. If you are an interviewer, if you are working in a company, you are taking an interview and you have 10 candidates. Out of 10 candidates, 2 are certified. Tell me, what will you do? I'm asking you. Same question to you back.
I'll prefer for certified.
Certification, right? You got your answer. Don't ask me then. You got your
How
answer.
much it costs to, like,
Your
you have an idea?
certification cost minimum of $200. Advanced certification cost $400 with plus taxes. All your certifications, right, will cost you $200 plus taxes. $200 plus taxes. Right? Any questions?
Are we going to only Lightning or it's LWC, including LWC?
This course includes both Lightning and LWC. However, you have a choice to choose. I want to only learn. There are many people, right, who says that I want to learn only Lightning, I want to learn only LWC, I want to learn only development, I want to learn only admin. The course is complete. Admin and development is one course, but on that also there are people who says I don't want to learn development, I want to learn only admin. The course is complete, including LWC, right? I'll be the trainer. I'll be teaching you from end to end. Any questions?
Can we get the
So
dumps first?
after 7 to
Sorry?
Can we get the dumps for certifications from your end or from the institute end?
That you have to contact the institute, right? Those who are looking for a certification cost, I have opened the cost here, right? These are the certification. $200. Advanced paper cost you $400. By the way, you can see the course fee also, official course fee, right? We are charging not even 1% of the official course fee. Advanced development cost $4,000 if you learn from Salesforce. 4 sevens are 3,20,000. 3,20,000 plus admin 3,20,000. Here only 7 lakh was over. We are not even charging 1% of your official fee. No, that's a fact. That's a fact. Even if you learn SAP course, SAP you have heard, right? Do you know what is the official fee of SAP if you learn from Siemens or SAP Labs? SAP Labs, if you learn, it's the same thing, 3.5 lakh to 4 lakh. That's the fact. You might not be knowing, you are surprised because you are for the first time you're hearing. There's nothing to surprise. You want to get a salary of 5 lakh a year, right? Everybody is expecting. Why are you expecting a 5 lakh a year then? Then can't they charge a 5 lakh for a course? Right? You want to get a salary of 5 lakh a year, annum package, 5 to not even 5 lakh. Everybody is expecting 7 lakh, 8 lakh. And when it comes to a course fee of paying 4 lakh, right? It's very bad. Be open. Don't be optimistic, right? Be fair in a judgment, right? It's very fair, the fee, but we are not charging you this much. We are not even charging you 1% of it, right? Any questions? All these documentation blueprints I'll give you, right? What is the course pattern? How you have to do the courses, right? What is the hierarchy? How is the journey? See, I told you I'm an architect. I'm on the top cadre of Salesforce. I'm a technical architect, certified technical architect. This is the topmost cadre. You will start somewhere here. Platform developer 1, right? Any other course? Any other questions? Monday onwards, 8:30 a.m. we will start your lightning development class. Yes, go ahead.
Rupam, so is this class contains LWC as well or only Aura components?
I told you, no, it will cover LWC also. Second time I am repeating, right? In the PPT also you have seen your whatever your course will be covered. Lightning development course. If you see this PPT diagram, the red box shows lightning development course. Do you see that LWC is included on it? Yes. Once again,
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
who have not heard, it includes Aura, Lightning plus LWC is your lightning development course. Lightning development plus LWC development, both. Once again, I'm repeating. Lightning development plus LWC development is included in the course. Please contact your admin for more details. Right? Any questions? Any questions? Please do not bargain on time. Right? No way. We have a fixed slot, 7 o'clock one batch, 8:30 one batch, 10 o'clock one batch. There is nothing called 8. There's nothing called 7:30. No. 7, right? 7, right? New batch will be starting, not your, it's a regular class, right? We'll be starting a new batch. I'm completing one batch now currently going on. After it's over in 2 weeks, I will start a new batch again. Then 8:30 is your lightning with LWC. Lightning development with LWC development classes starts from Monday, 8:30 a.m. For any course details, please contact your admin. They will be able to suggest you. All your syllabus sheet, admin, you can close your eyes. You don't need a syllabus sheet also. I will cover everything. That faith you can keep on me. Any other questions? What is this number of sections for lightning development and LWC? What does that mean? You're saying number of classes? Number of classes?
Number of classes.
1 month lightning development. 20 days lightning web component, LWC. Because the concept will be same. For LWC, your lightning is required. So the concept will be same. That is the reason we will do just the LWC programming and you will be able to understand. Right? Anything else, guys, before we disconnect? Right? I don't have a, Sudhir says, I don't have a JavaScript knowledge. Don't worry. I'm here to teach you. Whenever something prerequisite is required, I will let you know when to learn what. Currently, your mind is to make up whether shall I join from Monday or not. That's the only decision that you have to make. Keep everything apart. Yes.
Rupam, I
Tell me.
joined a bit late. I just want to know, like, I do have a conversation with this institute person. They said, like, means this session is only for the people who have already did classic and now planning to switch to lightning. Is it something like
The
that?
people who have little bit of classic knowledge, because we'll be using the concept. However, that is not a pre-requirement. Don't worry about it. Even if you have not have a classic, you will still be able to understand and you
I
are a
do
right
have
person to join.
classic admin knowledge actually, not
That's
into
okay.
development.
No problem. No problem. Then also you can join. No issues.
Okay, okay,
Right?
fine,
Anything
fine,
else?
fine.
Anything else?
No, Rupam, it's all fine.
Right? Thank you, guys. There is no evening batch, Girija. I told you very well. I am a working person. I'm not a dummy trainer that morning classes, evening classes, I'll keep on taking classes. My life is all class. No, I'm a working trainer, right? I have only morning sessions. There is no evening sessions, right? And in morning, currently, either it's morning or it's weekend. Currently, there is no weekend slots. Weekend batch is already going on. That was the videos that I was showing you. The weekend batches are already going on. Lightning and LWC class weekend batch is going on. Lightning is on the weekdays is 8:30. Monday to Friday, 8:30. That's it. Full stop. No question. Nobody should ask anything about it. If this time is not comfortable, sorry, then look for weekend class, which will be on Saturday and Sunday at 7 a.m. Sorry, 7:30. 7:30 a.m. Saturday, 7:30 a.m. on Sunday. But there is no slot available. No batches, no weekend batches starting up. It will take another, I can say, 1 month for the weekend batch to start, because currently the batch is going on. Currently the weekend batch is going on. Any questions? Monday to Friday. Classes is from Monday to Friday. Venkat Kiran. Saturday and Sunday, you don't have a class. Monday to Friday. Right? Thank you guys. For more details, please contact your institute. Have a nice and wonderful day. Hope that I will see you all again on Monday. Right? Believe me, guys, I'm not guiding in a wrong path. It's your money will not be wasted. If you are planning to make a career in Salesforce, it is a right move. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me.
Hi Rupam,
Tell me.
without
Make it fast.
any
I have a
knowledge of
batch now.
Visual Force and
I
JavaScript
told
or
you this. I've been
HTML,
repeating
are
this
we
question
supposed
again and again. You are repeating this question again. Everybody is asking in their own style. I told you, if you don't have any background also, don't worry about it. You would be able to learn Lightning with me. You can leave that on me. However, it's a prerequisite so that your understanding will increase fast. If you don't have that prerequisite also, don't worry. You will be able to understand. Okay? So need not to worry about it. If you don't have any background, don't worry about it. I don't know Java, I don't know Kava, I don't know Mava. Leave it, right? Leave it. So leave it. Don't worry about it. I've been repeating this line again, and again you guys are asking the same question. So you would be able to understand. Thank you guys. I have another batch now. So have a nice and wonderful day. Let's meet on Monday. Bye-bye guys.